Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube tutorial on Rank Math, the comprehensive SEO plugin for WordPress. In this ever-evolving digital landscape, having a firm grasp on SEO techniques is pivotal. It's the cornerstone of online visibility, a crucial element for website owners and digital marketers striving to leave their mark. Enter Rank Math, a tool designed to optimize your website's SEO performance, drive organic traffic, and amplify your online presence. Rank Math is more than just an SEO plugin. It's a powerhouse of advanced on-page optimization features and rich snippet integration, offering a range of tools to elevate your SEO game. Be you a beginner dipping your toes in the SEO waters, or a seasoned expert, Rank Math caters to all with its intuitive interface and potent functionalities. With Rank Math, you can enhance your website's search engine ranking, drive organic traffic, and ultimately boost your online presence. So let's dive in and explore the best settings for your SEO success in 2024. Now, let's navigate through the Rank Math dashboard and configure the plugin settings for optimal performance. The general settings of Rank Math are the control center of your SEO strategy. Here, you can customize key parameters to align with your unique website needs and objectives. Firstly, let's talk about site analytics integration. This feature enables you to connect your website with Google Analytics, giving you access to valuable data right from your WordPress dashboard. You'll get insights into your audience, how they interact with your site, and which content resonates the most with them. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals your website's performance. Next, we dive into schema markup. In the sea of online content, schema markup is your lifeboat. It helps search engines understand your content better, leading to enhanced visibility and higher click-through rates. With Rank Math, you can easily add schema types to your posts, from articles and products to recipes and events. Think of it as teaching search engines to read your content in your language. Finally, we have XML sitemap generation. An XML sitemap is akin to a roadmap of your website that guides search engines to all your important pages. Rank Math automatically generates this sitemap and keeps it updated, ensuring that search engines can easily crawl and index your site. It's like sending an open invitation to search engines, beckoning them to explore your website. Tweaking these general settings to suit your website can significantly augment your SEO efforts. Remember, each website is unique and requires a unique approach. So don't be afraid to experiment with different settings until you find what works best for you. These general settings form the backbone of your SEO strategy with Rank Math. By harnessing the power of these features, you can effectively steer your website towards greater online visibility and success. So buckle up and get ready to ride the wave of SEO optimization with Rank Math. Next, let's delve into the advanced settings section, where we can fine-tune our SEO strategy with precision. This is the control room, the cockpit, the nerve center of your SEO strategy. Here we can adjust, tweak, and optimize the various components of our website to ensure it's running at peak performance. First up, we have 404 error monitoring. In the digital world, nothing screams bad user experience louder than a 404 error. It's like inviting someone to your home only to slam the door in their face. Not cool, right? Rank Math's 404 monitor keeps an eye on these errors, alerting you whenever your visitors encounter a broken link or a missing page. This way, you can quickly fix the issue and keep your website in tip-top shape. Next in line is redirection management. Let's say you've moved some content around and the old URL no longer works. Without proper redirection, your visitors will be led to a dead end, and we don't want that. With Rank Math's Redirection Manager, you can easily set up redirects from the old URL to the new one, ensuring a seamless user experience. But there's more. The advanced settings also allow you to optimize your breadcrumbs. These are the little navigational aids that help users understand where they are on your website. With Rank Math, you can customize these breadcrumbs to match your site's design and structure. And let's not forget about the RSS optimization. This feature lets you add a link back to your site at the end of your RSS feed, deterring content thieves and ensuring you get the credit for your hard work. Lastly, we have the robots meta settings. These are the instructions that tell search engines how to crawl and index your site. With Rank Math, you can control these settings on a granular level, giving you the power to guide search engines through your site. By resolving technical issues and enhancing user experience, Rank Math empowers users to optimize their website's SEO performance. So buckle up, and let's take your SEO game to the next level. Moving on to the Content Analysis tab, let's explore how Rank Math evaluates your content's SEO effectiveness in real time. This powerful feature is like having a seasoned SEO expert looking over your shoulder, guiding you every step of the way. But instead of hiring an expert, you've got Rank Math's intelligent algorithms working round the clock to ensure your content is optimized for search engines. When you navigate to the Content Analysis tab, you'll find a comprehensive breakdown of your content's SEO score. This score is calculated based on numerous factors such as keyword usage, readability, and link structure, among others. By analyzing these factors, Rank Math provides a clear picture of how well your content is likely to perform in search engine rankings. But what makes the Content Analysis tab truly powerful is its actionable insights. Rank Math won't just tell you what's wrong, it'll also tell you how to fix it. If your keyword density is too low, Rank Math will suggest you to sprinkle more of your chosen keyword throughout your text. If your content is difficult to read, it will recommend simplifying your language or breaking up large blocks of text. Furthermore, the Content Analysis tab also evaluates the SEO effectiveness of your pages and products. If you're running an online store, for instance, Rank Math can help you optimize your product descriptions and metadata to increase visibility on search engine results pages. In essence, the Content Analysis tab is your one-stop shop for all things SEO. It provides a detailed analysis of your content, coupled with practical recommendations to improve its SEO effectiveness. And the best part, all these insights are available in real time, allowing you to make adjustments on the fly and see immediate improvements in your SEO score. With Rank Math's real-time content analysis, you can ensure that your content resonates with both search engines and users. So don't just write content, optimize it with Rank Math and watch your website soar to the top of search engine rankings. In conclusion, Rank Math is more than just an SEO plugin. It's a catalyst for your website's success in the digital realm. Today we've journeyed through the comprehensive features that Rank Math offers, from its general settings to advanced parameters. We've seen how it allows us to optimize our websites with precision and ease, transforming the daunting task of SEO into a manageable and even enjoyable process. We've also explored the Content Analysis feature, a powerful tool that delivers real-time insights into your content's SEO performance, making sure every word you publish is working toward enhancing your online visibility. Remember, whether you're a digital marketing rookie or a seasoned professional, Rank Math is designed to empower you on your SEO journey. By harnessing the power of Rank Math and implementing the best settings tailored to your needs, you can unlock untapped potential and propel your online presence to new heights. Thank you for joining us today. We've taken a deep dive into the world of Rank Math, touched on its powerful features, and explored the best settings to help you optimize your website's SEO performance in 2024. But our journey doesn't end here. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and to stay ahead of the curve, continuous learning is key. So if you found value in this tutorial, why not spread the word? Sharing knowledge is a powerful way to strengthen our digital community. Share this video with your colleagues, friends, or anyone who might benefit from a comprehensive understanding of Rank Math and its potential to enhance their SEO game. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the like button. Your feedback fuels our motivation to create more insightful content. Each like is a vote of confidence, a sign that we're on the right track in providing valuable information to you. But don't stop there. If you want to stay updated on the latest trends, tips, and tutorials in the digital marketing realm, subscribing to our channel is your best bet. As a subscriber, you'll be the first to know when we release new content. Whether it's a deep dive into another game-changing plugin, an exploration of a new SEO strategy, or a guide to optimizing your digital marketing efforts, we've got you covered. Lastly, we've provided links to additional resources in the description below. Dive deeper into the functionalities of Rank Math, explore its advanced features, and learn more about how to fine-tune your SEO strategy. These resources are designed to empower you on your journey to mastering the digital landscape. So there you have it, folks. We've embarked on an enlightening journey through Rank Math today, and we hope you've gleaned some valuable insights. Remember, the key to SEO success lies not just in knowing the right tools, but in understanding how to harness their full potential. Until next time, happy optimizing with Rank Math.